Hi everybody, welcome to COMM 4050, Community and Society, Theories and Applications. I'm Dr. Brooke Edge and I'll be your instructor for this quarter. To give you a little information about me, I have a Bachelor's of Arts in English from Davidson College. A few years later, I went back to school after working in journalism for 6 years. I got a master's in cinema studies from New York University, and then I got a PhD in communication with a focus in media studies from CU Boulder. My research focused a lot on feminist theory, popular culture studies, and stigma and representation in popular culture. Now I work as a strategic planner for an advertising and marketing firm in Louisville, Kentucky. So I've gone from academia mostly into the advertising world and apply my research there. You can see here that I have I have 2 kids now, but that's from my hooding for my doctorate when I had one daughter who was not interested in the ceremony, but rather interested in brownies. Can't blame her. And I enjoy when I have time, cooking, watching TV, hiking, although there's less of that in Kentucky than there was in Colorado. The purpose and agenda for this introductory video is to go over the purpose and structure of the course, some of the website navigation, to review some course etiquette, and advice for success in this course. To get to the purpose and structure, this is a required core course. It complements COMM 4905, COMM 4020, and COMM 4045. And while I have a great love for theory, which is a lot of what we're going to be talking about in this course, I recognize that that may not be shared with all of you. However, everyone here does have a relationship with media. We create, consume, and are influenced by it, both directly and indirectly. So this course aims to help you get a sense of how mass comm theory can help gain a more thorough perspective of media and society, as well as your work professionally. So just as I've taken my academic research and theory beyond the classroom, I look forward to seeing how you all do as well. It's a master's level course, so I want to be upfront about the readings and discussions being challenging. They require concentrated thought and then concentrated sort of digestion, especially as we're going to be doing a lot of discussion. So please make the time and commit to that mental exercise. But please believe it will pay off professionally and personally, both in how you go about your daily life and then your professional life as well. It's graduate level written and oral communication. There will be some videos of what we're doing here, and both formal papers and discussion on our message boards. Please be proactive to plan your time and come talk to me if you're starting to feel like you're falling behind or if you have questions. But along the lines of coming to talk to me, please also know your syllabus. I'm always here for questions, but I ask that you be respectful and exhaust the resources provided in the syllabus and on the website before reaching out. Each week, you'll start with the modules page, which you can find to the right of the global navigation bar. The modules are organized in the order I'd like you to proceed through the material. Each week includes a narrative overview of what will be covered. In the overview sections, there will be mini lectures, readings, and learning outcomes. After the overview, you'll find a discussion button, and your first discussion posts each week are due on Wednesday night by midnight. I highly encourage you to post as many times throughout the week as possible, as it becomes very difficult to keep up with discussion and engage thoughtfully and meaningfully with these dense and interesting topics if you procrastinate on the discussion boards. These are typically really powerful spaces for learning, but they're really most rewarding with continual participation. Again, there are an average of 2 discussion boards each week. They really aim to blend both, for this to be a space to blend both your academic readings and then your professional experience, to speak with your peers and me about how that academic knowledge and your thoughts on it might be applied beyond the readings. And again, start early and participate on at least 3 different days throughout the week. That would be the aim. As for how we're going to be grading the discussions, the rubric is in the syllabus, but make supported claims both from the reading and your life and work experience. Think of this as a space to blend the two. As far as etiquette, you all are advanced students, so I expect that this will happen regardless, but please be professional, please be civil, please be respectful, and please be kind. I will be taking those values into our course, and I hope you will as well. I'm trying to make an inclusive and welcoming classroom community online, and I really value you all and your attendance here. Attendance in the virtual sense. Also, please use standard English in your both discussion and formal writing. It doesn't have to be, in the discussion boards especially, it doesn't have to be formal, so to speak, but please stay away from an overuse of abbreviations, any text speak, or emojis, unless you're trying to make a point about emojis. Assignments are that in addition to discussion, there are 4 major assignment categories in this course. You can learn more about that in the assignments tab on the course container, and we will be checking in with those as the assignments get closer through the quarter. So finally, keys to success. We've addressed already that there are high expectations for this course. We've addressed that it helps to engage thoughtfully, respectfully, and regularly. But please think critically, consider the context of what we're learning to the contemporary world and your experiences now and in the past, and apply what you're learning. That's part of the whole point of these critical theories, is that these are thinkers who are trying to observe the world around them, and that's what we hope you'll do. And please be proactive about your learning and your relationship building. Again, we trust that you're motivated students who want to engage with me and with each other, and that's going to lead to the most engagement in the course. Thanks so much.